So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, yes, I'm leaving my glasses on today. Today's video is just, I just wanted to show you guys some of the products that I use for my wash day routines. I'm getting into the habit of being in love with my hair more, and so I take a lot more time with my hair and being more in love with myself and all this good stuff. So I do take a lot more time, like I just said, on my hair. So it takes me a total of probably like 2 hours to really wash my hair, just because I part it into 4 sections and I lean over into the tub. I used to do my hair while I was taking a shower, but then I found that I feel like that kind of wastes a lot of water, and I don't necessarily like to do that, you know? So I just, you know, bend over the tub and wash my hair in 4 different sections. And so I'll lather everything up at once, not at once, but section by section, and then I'll take one section out, rinse, take out the other section, rinse out, and all this good stuff. I don't know, I feel like that just, I pay more attention to my hair by doing that. And so let me show you some of the products. I use 2 different shampoos, 2 different conditioners, and a deep conditioning treatment and a Prepoo treatment. And I do all that just because I don't wash my hair as often as I should. If I could push my hair to 3 weeks, then I'm gonna push it to 3 weeks. But I used to wash my hair once a week, and then it went to 2, and then it's just whenever I remember. But yeah, so the first shampoo that I start off, let's start off with the Prepoo. So normally I pre-poo my hair with different types of oils, and I let that set in my hair for a while with aloe vera gel and all this good stuff. But then I haven't done that in a while, and I don't know if it necessarily worked for me or not, but I just stopped doing it. So I recently picked up this Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Pre-Shampoo Detoxifying Clay Mask. I don't know, I only used it once, and I have a lot of hair, and how I was saying for you, coat, you know, your strands from root to tip. And if I coated only partial of my hair, or because my hair is I have four type hair, so it's very thick to get into, and even when I spritz it, like the water will kind of just drip off. I have to, you know, massage the water into my hair for it to really get wet. So I literally just bought this, and I used this once, and this is what I have left. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the product, it was filled up to here, and now it's left right here. You know, and if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna make sure, you know, my hair, all of my strands are good. I'm not just gonna half-ass it. And so I don't know if this was a really good investment. This was $6.39 at the beauty supply store. I do want to try the Aztec clay. I think that might last me longer, and to see if it has any types of effects on it. I didn't see any difference in my hair. My hair did feel kind of soft, but I don't know. I feel like that's what normally happens, but you know, I could be wrong. So the next product is the next step I do is shampoo. And I shampoo with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Castor Shampoo by Shea Moisture. I've been using the shampoo for a very, very long time. I like it just because it detoxifies my scalp allegedly, and it really does clean my hair pretty well. And before, when I used to pre-poo my hair with oils, I would sit under the dryer, or I put on the dryer thing for about 5 minutes just to open up my strands a little bit, and to, you know, just get the oils in there. And whenever I did do that, I did use a clarifying shampoo just to make sure I got everything out. And then I got this from the Mexican store. It's called the Nacho shampoo. It's ginseng, and I guess it has royal jelly in it. I really like this because this does strengthen my hair back. Like you can tell, like my hair follicles just get so not strong, but just like it's good. Like my hair hasn't been falling out as much as since I've been using this shampoo. Normally when I comb out my hair, like some of my ends or parts of the strands would be breaking off and stuff like that, but now my hair just sheds like normal. It just comes out the scalp, not that much. And it's especially because I don't comb my hair that often, that I'm seeing just a little bit of, you know, shedding when I comb my hair. So I'm like, oh, okay, whatever. But this has ginseng, which is known for antioxidant properties, rosemary, which strengthens the hair fiber. That's what it does, it strengthens my hair fiber. Aloe vera, revitalize hair from the roots. Royal jelly, it nourishes the hair fiber. And jojoba, and that helps repair hair fiber. So I really love this shampoo. It's really good. It smells like honey, but not like honey. Like you can smell the honey, but there's it's like a sweeter, flowery or honey, if that makes sense. I don't know. It's really good. And no, it's not one of those well, it doesn't say, but I don't think it's one of those sulfate-free shampoo. Listen, I've been using non-sulfate-free shampoo since I was a kid. I've been relaxing my hair since I was 7 years old. My hair is still going. My hair is still fine. I take care of my hair, and I make sure my hair is good. Okay? And so, and I say all that to say, whatever. The people are like, oh, you have to get sulfate-free shampoo. If I like the shampoo, I like the shampoo. And up until recently, all these shampoos have been coming out sulfate free because folks is like, oh, that's not good for your hair. So, yeah, I don't know. Okay. And then for conditioner, I mix these two together. Which ones again? This is the Refreshing Scalp Tea Treatment Conditioner, Refreshing Scalp Extra Strength. And this is the coconut milk one. So I just combine them two just because I always want, I don't know, I feel like in my mind, how my mind works is like, well, I don't know if I just want to nourish my hair, if I want to straighten my hair. I don't know which one I want to do today. So I'm like, well, why don't I just do both and hope that it works? So I just put equal parts in each section, and I just finger comb it and just wrap it up, leave it in my hair for 5 minutes. And this is where it comes to washing my hair in the bath. It saves water, just because when I'm, conditioning my hair, I can turn off the water because, it's wasting water and the world's already kind of messing up. So I try to do my part to help the environment, And for the last part of my wash day routine, I do a deep conditioning treatment. And when I do that, I leave that in my hair for about 40 minutes to an hour. My favorite lately, I use a ton, but the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. It's really, really good. It's very, very thick. I like the way it smells. I don't know. But it's very, very thick. It's like a shea butter, like the melted shea butter. You know how when you get in the small, not the hard brick ones, but the ones that's already soft in like that small container. Actually, I think I have, the ones that come in this type of container. It's that kind of a thick consistency, but it stays thick. But when I put it in my hair, even when I tried it for the first time when I purchased it, my hair was dry. And I put it and I was just, massaging it through the strand, and my strand instantly curled up. This is a really, really good product. This was about $10. I don't care too much that it was $10 for this itty bitty amount. But, this has 8 ounces, but it just seems so small, And then after I do all that, I let my hair air dry and then style it and do all this good stuff. And I just wanted to show you guys what I do with my hair, because my hair started to grow, but then it stopped, but it's maintaining its length, and I'd rather it maintain its length than grow and break off. So I'm trying to maintain a healthy length and make sure my hair is healthy so that when it grows, it maintains that length as well. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys want to know what other products I use to keep my hair moisturized during the week, I think I'm actually going to do a video about that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I told you guys this video is going to be really, really quick because I just wanted to show you guys the products and elaborate just a smidge on it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.